Understanding putting up walls in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, putting up walls. This phrase is not only common in everyday conversation, but it also offers a great insight into how figurative language works in English. Let's dive into its meaning, usage, and some interesting examples. Putting up walls refers to the act of creating emotional barriers. It's not about physical walls, but rather about a metaphorical barrier a person builds around themselves. This is often done to protect oneself from getting hurt emotionally or to avoid dealing with certain feelings or situations. This phrase likely comes from the idea of building physical walls for protection. In emotional terms, these walls serve a similar purpose, to keep others out and to guard oneself. We use this phrase in contexts where someone is being reserved, distant, or reluctant to open up emotionally. 1. After her last relationship, she's really been putting up walls. 2. I find it hard to get to know him, he's always putting up walls. These examples show how the phrase is used to describe someone who is emotionally guarded. Interestingly, we often talk about breaking down walls as the opposite of putting them up. This means making an effort to be more open, vulnerable, and emotionally available. Putting up walls is a vivid phrase that beautifully illustrates how language can use physical concepts to describe emotional states. Remember, understanding such phrases not only enhances your English skills but also helps in appreciating the nuances of emotional expressions in the language. Hope you found this video helpful, and stay tuned for more English learning content.